Today I am reviewing the SATONIC 8.8-inch wireless CarPlay dashboard for the Tesla new Model Y, also known as Juniper. The first thing you notice is the display. It is an 8.8-inch touchscreen with a clean layout and vivid colors. It sits naturally within the interior and uses an original equipment manufacturer-style color finish, so it looks like it belongs in the car. Connectivity is the headline feature. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. That means you can run navigation, make hands-free calls, hear your messages, and stream music without a cable. Audio passes through the car speakers, and the interface is smooth and responsive. Safety and control are solid. The unit works with steering wheel buttons, so you can change tracks, accept calls, or move through menus while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. The display also switches automatically between day mode and night mode, which keeps glare down at night and boosts clarity during the day. Installation is straightforward, with versions for right-hand drive and left-hand drive cars. It is designed specifically for the Tesla new Model Y Juniper, so the fit is tidy and the interior remains clean. Who is this for? If you want a dedicated driver-facing screen with wireless phone integration, without replacing the main Tesla display, this is a simple and elegant upgrade. Overall, for the price I paid on AliExpress, the SATONIC 8.8 delivers a bright screen, seamless wireless connectivity, steering wheel control, and a factory-style look. The purchase link is in the description. If this review helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.